birthday!
Yay!
But anyway, we're on the road and we're really caught up in this little car. Got the whole family. And then the driver, no, he tired. And then Carl.
Girl, don't put that, get that on my face.
She looking a little rough because I hear not done, but it's okay. Got my little cousin. And my baby cousin. She's so cute. Okay, she look grumpy today. But anyway, I'll let y'all know when we get to the building or whatever we're going. It's a surprise, I guess. So, I'm gonna see. 3 hours later, and we're still on the road. But y'all, that's what. I'm still sitting on my sister's lap, so. And she's black. I'll let y'all know when we arrive.
Like a million people.
Y'all, we finally made it to San Antonio. We finally made it to the house. I'm about to give y'all a tour. All I gotta say is that ride was long as crap. I was sitting on my sister's lap the whole time, and this girl was getting on my freaking nerves. I was about to go crazy. But anyway, I'm about to show you the house.
Never gives up on a Tuesday. If it does rain, you come through. Your love's like a big hug on a bad day, just what I need in my life. You're 1 in a million. When I wake up, what's the first thing on my mind? Your love's like my drug, I can't live without it. That's just what you do to me, boy. For your love, I'd proudly climb a mountain. That's just what you do to me, boy. Your love's like a back rub when I back up. Can you catch what I throw down? Your love's what I breathe from. I would go numb if you left me here right now. Our love gets stronger when we break up. We be right back in no time.
Okay, y'all, so it's another beautiful day in San Antonio. Last night we were supposed to go to the river, but we didn't. All we really did was drive a long time. I had to sit on my sister's lap. That was terrible. It was just so uncomfortable. It was just so hot in the car, but we finally got to the house. I'm happy and I'm excited to go to Six Flags. So I just got dressed. I put my business suit under here and I'm gonna show you on the day. So wish me good luck. And I'm so happy that I don't have to sit on nobody's lap this morning. So we'll see. Anyway, yeah, it's my auntie's birthday, so y'all can wish her a happy birthday. Bye, Queen.
We're not
Well, I do
hating.
them ridiculous.
Damn, this motherfucker too crazy, Saucy.
Wait, slow down.
I got it for you. I got a video.
Tanisha, I want that.
All right.
He was alive.
Oh my gosh.
I keep my gun in my
Oh my god. I'm so excited. Hold on, Angel Lady. Alright, y'all, so we finally made it to Six Flags, and I am beyond excited. My sister's trying to hit me because I got my glasses on. She'll know how it is. She at home babysitting. But all I gotta say is I'm so excited for all these rides, and it's my first time going to Six Flags. Even though I've been in Texas my whole entire life. Yeah, I know I'm a little weird. But yeah, I'm excited and wish me luck. Alright, birthday girl.
I'm here.
You can't be scared right now to ride.
I'm not pregnant no more.
She said, I'm ready to get out of there.
Yes.
Well, we're gonna see how she
I'm gonna
feel
be very
when she
scared.
see that roller coaster, because that roller coaster look kind of scary. So we're gonna see how she feel. But I'm gonna push her to her limits, and we're gonna have some fun, and she's gonna have the best birthday ever.
Yay.
By the river they were carrying
Finally, I'll be resting in peace. Finally, yeah. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what's after this. Finally, everybody think they do it. I sleep when I'm doing It's a lot of pressure. I'm a young nigga, man. Believe that, man. I'm hustling.
Hey y'all, we're going to the park and now we're about to ride some rides. So what's this like? So dramatic with this music.
Finally,
Okay, y'all, so this is an update. Basically, we have only ridden one ride because it was a long line. And now we're just trying to find something to ride. So all these freaking rides are broken. So we'll probably be my turn. About this ride. Oh, it's so scary.
Bad idea, following me.
Oh my god.
How about we celebrate with some laughing gas?
Oh my god.
Hey, where are you going?
Ew. Okay, y'all, it's been the longest day ever. We only rode 2 rides, so this is taking forever. I'm exhausted. I'm taking a seat on the ground. And I don't know what they're doing. But hopefully we're next. We only got like 12 people ahead of us. We've been this line for an hour now, so if you guys get flags, make sure you get a flash pack or something because the wait is not it. It's not. It don't matter because I still win. I still beat his ass. You already know. You already know. I'm the pro, bro. Anyway. Oh, lady. Happy birthday to you.
Cha 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 cha. How old are you turning?
Woo! Let's go. Blow them out. Woo! There you go, lady. Ah, it's the light for me, baby. My nose rang. Okay, God, we just got our nose. Well, I got my nose pierced. She was supposed to get her little ear.
I got a tattoo.
But she got a tattoo.
Yeah.
She turned into family things. You already know. So that's some wild, crazy things. I can't believe I did this. Literally, we said we were going to the tattoo shop, and I got a freaking nose piercing. I was scared, y'all. Y'all shouldn't have saw me. I was like, don't do it, don't do it, don't do it. And then and I was like, you know what, just do it. Just do it. So she already went and did it, and now I think I look cute. I'm feeling myself, baby. Let me stop. Okay, good night, y'all. I'll tell y'all how it is tomorrow.
I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling my. Change the game when that digital dropped. Know where you was when that digital popped. I stopped the world. Male or female, it make no difference. I stopped the world. World stop. Carry on.
Kitty on fleek.
Y'all, so it's the next morning and we're still at the house. Right now I'm just focusing on doing my homework because let's not forget I got 2 classes that I'm taking this summer. My auntie's still asleep, and I have a few videos from last night of me being a little drunk. Y'all, can I just tell y'all like how good my skin is looking in the sun right now, baby? All I gotta say is that my piercing kind of hurts a little bit, like when I twitch my nose a little bit, but I'm trying not to focus on it. I still can't believe I did that. Like, I literally got a piercing and barely thought about it. Like, my auntie was like, oh, let's go get pierced or get tattooed or something. I was like, okay, sure. You know, it's your birthday, let's do it. And as soon as we went to the shop, there was no line, so I just filled the paperwork out, and I just got it done. And it's still a shock, like, why did I do this? But I like it, it's cute, and I mean, I guess it makes me look bolder, because I'm a bad bitch. But, yeah, so I'm gonna just finish doing my homework, and I'm pretty sure we're going to the boardwalk or riverwalk or something, and I'm so excited because I've always wanted to do that. And at the mall, I don't know what it's called, but it's right by the Riverwalk? Yeah, San Antonio Riverwalk Mall or whatever, and we're trying to get some stuff off. Random stores and stuff like that. Let's just look, and my sister getting on my nerves. She wants me to buy her everything.
We're just walking around,
Yeah.
having fun, chilling,
Yup.
shopping.
Trying to waste some time and then because it's hot outside, right?
Yes.
It's too hot.
Yo, before we start, I want to tell y'all what we represent. We represent hip to the hop, and it just don't stop. Hip hop, real hip hop. Not that garbage they play on the radio for our kids nowadays, destroying their mind, destroying our future. Talking about, and it's up, and it's up, and it's up.
I'm dead.
We're talking about real hip hop. We're talking about peace, love, unity. If y'all ready to have some fun and watch the best comedic breakdance show you ever seen and laugh y'all's butts off, we got one rule. Rule number 1: if you see something in our show that you like, or even if you see something you don't like, either way, you clap those hands and start that right now. San Antonio tries to say that we're offering some sort of service with our bodies. First of all, that's gross. We don't do that. But our kiosk still does. Yo, second, is not throw us money while we're dancing. Ladies, it's not that kind of show. The only stop. It's not that kind of show. The only way this works, y'all, the only way we can do this is at the end of the show, when you smile, you laugh, you had a good time, you will have a good time.
All right. Oh my God.
cold, frosty cold, and I'm so bossy, and I so saucy, and my clothes cost me light for the party, always get it started, and I so bossy, and I so.
So y'all, we're visiting the Alamo because how are you gonna go to San Antonio without visiting the Alamo? So this is our first time doing this, and I'm excited because it's like a historical place in Texas.
Feel a draft, little booties matter, don't need a lot of ass. I'm my own boss and I got my own cash. I don't need no nigga, only thing I need is a bag. Hood and I'm bougie, Gucci on my booty. Poppin' like a toolie, you ain't poppin', need to cool it. Just cash up with my jeweler, why you stuck here looking stupid? Winning, why they losing? Get your nigga, cause he choosing. Diamonds on me and they dance just like Chris. Pockets heavy, got me walking with a limp. I'm a fly chick, hop aboard and take a trip. These Jimmy Choos that's on my feet, they cost a grip. Body cold, frosty cold, and I'm so bossy, and I so saucy, and my clothes cost me light for the party, always get it started, and I so bossy, and I so I'm independent, got my own boo, and I can fuck some cash up if I want to. Fuck it up, body cold, frosty, and I'm so bossy, and I so saucy, and my clothes cost me. December cold, walk by, feel a draft, little booties matter, don't need a lot of ass. I'm my own boss and I got my own cash. I don't need no nigga, only thing I need is a bag. Hood and I'm bougie, Gucci on my booty. Poppin' like a toolie, you ain't poppin', need to cool it. Just cash up with my jeweler, why you stuck here looking stupid? Winning, why they losing? Get your nigga, cause he choosing. I'm a game changer, I'm a playmaker. You a lame world class hater. I got mad paper, you in bad shape. Account with negative, overdraft paper. If you ain't got no card, then you can't call me. Ain't talk about no check, that's where you lost. Can't fuck with busted bitches, I ain't sorry. If I ain't in that bitch, it ain't a party. Body cold, frosty cold, and I'm so bossy, and I so saucy, and my clothes cost me light for the party, always get it started, and I so bossy, and I so I'm independent, got my own boo, and I can fuck some cash up if I want to. Fuck it up, body cold, frosty, and I'm so bossy, and I so saucy, and my clothes cost me.
Like the way she work, yeah. She always puts me first, yeah. And I know I've been around, but I swear you got the best.
Y'all, the food smells so good. Oh my god.
I got drip on the floor and it's getting nasty. He ain't keeping his hands up off my ass cheeks. I got something to give him, and if he asks me, I'm not feeling up, baby. I let him gas me.
Her ass fatter than fat, and she got good throw. Sit that cat on my lap.
Okay, y'all, so I am kind of disappointed. You know why? Because every restaurant that we want to go to, it's like a 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 minute wait. And I'm just hungry, I'm starving, and there's too many damn people out in this place. What the hell?
They don't care right there.
Anyway, let's just look and find a store that we can eat at in peace. Hey, hallelujah. Good luck with that. It's everyone. Good luck for you too. McDonald's had level up. Look at that. Look at that. That's cute. Life update. So we never really found a restaurant to go to. So that kind of sucks. We're not going home, and we're gonna barbecue at the place. So after that, we're probably gonna go home. And this is a nice place. It's a nice city, and loud cars. But I really enjoy being here, and I'm so happy I got the chance to see San Antonio and stuff. That was great. And I'm gonna show y'all just the outside again one more time before my phone goes. Bye, San Antonio. AKA Trump. Hey, Chef. Chef BFF party. You already know. Can I open it? Can I open it?
No. Because you want to show the world and all this. No.
For my subscribers. Fresh chicken on the grill, you already know. Okay, I'm gonna cook it up, whipping it up in the kitchen, boy. Boy, don't know how to act, boy. Yeah, it was fun. Why is this road so dark? Oh, hell no.
Oh, no.
They said Lookout Street.
Lookout Street.
They better look out for him. Black so.
I'm about to take it down to the Jeep.
You blacker than black.
I'm black, y'all.
Yeah. Fire song. Okay, y'all, so we finally...
Hi, guys. I'm doing my vlog. As you can see, we're in the car, and I'm getting makeup. No,
Hey, y'all, so we're
they have a
finally...
jalapeno car. Nigga!
I just need 30 seconds to myself.
We're truckers.
So we finally...
Fuckers.
Girl, shut the fuck up.
I'm sorry.
Hey, y'all, so we finally leave San Antonio. Hey, y'all, today is a whole different other day, and I forgot to do an outro, so I'm doing it right now on my way to my internship. But basically, last night was nice. We just barbecued, played music, just spent some time with my family. And then, since I had to be in my internship at 10 a.m., basically what happened is we had to get up at 3 a.m. in the morning and drive 3 hours just to get to Houston. So that was great, and I was so tired. So as soon as I got to my dorm, you already know what I did. Went to sleep. So I'm kind of late for my internship, but it's gonna be all right. I really enjoyed myself in San Antonio. It was a nice experience. Nice to chill with the family. Nice to just get out of Houston, I guess, and experience like a different thing. I'm so excited I got to do that, and I'm excited to finish working on my internship. So we'll see how it goes, and we'll make the best of life. With that, I want to thank y'all guys for watching, and please like and subscribe, and if you want to see more videos, let me know.